Hello everyone, welcome to my video today. In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool that can automatically send messages to WhatsApp accounts. As you can see, we just need to log into our WhatsApp account. Then enter the WhatsApp numbers you want to message into this tool, add your message content, and click Start. The tool will automatically send the messages for you. It's really simple, right? Let's see how this tool works. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, if you want to get this tool, message me right away on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you all in the next video.